I've been all around the
If you thought computer vision in AI was only for identifying objects, pay attention to this. Gemini has just made a huge leap in visual coding. Now you can simply capture a design from the internet, from an app, or from any interface, drop that image onto Gemini's canvas, and get the generated code in minutes. It's not inspiration, it's not a visual reference, it's direct conversion from design to functional code. And this completely changes the way we create interfaces, prototypes, and digital products. So before we see how all of this works, subscribe to the channel. And to watch the videos without ads, just click the join button. Deal? So let's get to the video. But first, I want to invite you to the AI Agents Bootcamp, a 4-day event with 4 hands-on classes where hashtag training will teach you from scratch how to create artificial intelligence agents to automate tasks. The idea here is very clear. Use AI to stand out in the job market, earn money by providing services with AI agents, or even increase your own company's revenue. All of this using N8N, which is one of the tools reshaping the market right now and can be applied in practically any area. And the best part is, this event is completely free and doesn't require any prerequisites. All the projects are built step by step, starting from absolute zero, with very clear explanations, even for those who have never had any contact with this type of technology. In addition to the classes, you'll also have access to a complete handbook, support to answer your questions during the event, and a certificate of participation at the end. So, if you want to be part of this new artificial intelligence revolution and take the next step in your career, here's your invitation. The next edition will take place from February 2nd to 5th, and anyone can participate. The only step is to secure your spot right now by accessing the link in the description or scanning the QR code that's appearing on the screen. So, hurry up and take advantage of it. Well guys, today I want to talk to you about this new thing that has just been announced by the folks at Google, the QVision agent. Listen up. We present the QVision agent, a new cutting-edge AI capability in Gemini 3 Flash that turns image understanding from a static task into an active process. By combining visual reasoning with code execution, one of the first tools supported by the QVision agent, the model grounds its answers in visual evidence and delivers a consistent 5 to 10% improvement in quality on almost all vision benchmarks. Here's how the cycle works. Think, act, and observe with the vision agent. QVision, think. The model analyzes an image query and then develops a multi-step plan. 2. Action. The model then generates and executes Python code to actively manipulate or analyze the images. And finally, observe. The transformed image is attached to the model's context window, allowing it to inspect the new data before generating a final response to the initial image query. And if you want to know more, they provide the address of Google's blog here. And here you can find the benchmarks and see how this works. Anyway, it's really cool because now you can upload an image to Gemini and ask it to turn that into code, which is really awesome. Let's go, because I want to show you now how all of this works in practice. Well, starting here with the simplest example, I uploaded this emoji with 6 fingers. Then I asked the following: how many fingers are here? Mark it on the image to help with reasoning. What did it do? It wrote Python code here, just like it says on the blog, and counted the fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and made notes on the image. So this is very interesting, because now it can interact with the image through code. You upload an image here, and this is a proof of concept to show that it really works. Now, how do we put this into practice? It's very simple. Look at what I had here. I took a screenshot of this mobile app interface. Then I simply asked, get the code. He started reasoning, brought up an action plan, created the code for the image, and what's most interesting, he also generated a preview of this image for me. Take a look at how it turned out. Look, he copied the interface for me. And here's the detail. With functional buttons, which I can later, obviously, ask to turn into a real application, simply by coming here and making the request in the prompt field. For example, add dark mode, light mode, change the UI color, and so on. I'll show you the original screenshot again, which was this one here. And then, using just this screenshot here, this image I found on the internet, it was able to understand the image, generate the code, and then deliver something very similar to me. Look how cool that is. Now check out another example, but this time, instead of an app, it's a website. Look, this was the screenshot I had. I asked for the same thing, get the code. He explained here what he was going to do, put together an action plan, wrote the code based only on the image, and brought me a preview here. Look how cool that is. Obviously, this is just the front end, right? He set up the base of my website for me here. Like I said at the beginning, if I want to add more, I just need to come here to the prompt field. And then I can ask to make adjustments, to add another page, another button. Anyway, the sky's the limit. You upload your design here, it can be anything from the internet, and ask the artificial intelligence to turn it into code. And then I get a preview so I can see how it works in practice. So let's go. I have this design here. Then I'll take a screenshot. Done. Image copied. I'll come back here to Gemini, click the plus sign, upload the selected file. Here's my image. Open attached image. I'll ask to get the code. Get the code for this interface. In tools, it's very important to select the canvas tool. Why? Because you'll be able to check and view the code right here inside Gemini. After that, here in the model selector, you can choose between fast or reasoning. I just don't recommend that you use the Pro because this vision feature works better in Gemini 3 Flash, alright. Once that's done, just send the command, it will analyze the image, show the action plan, then it starts writing the code, and that's it, in less than 15 seconds. It cloned my UI here, let's see how the original looked. Look, it actually turned out pretty similar here in the generated image. The text is a bit confusing, right? Because it's on top of the rabbit here. But overall, it turned out really cool, because if we compare the color palette, the rabbit, and everything that's written here, it was transferred here to Gemini, so it's cool because you have a place to start from here. You find a design online, think it's cool, but you don't know how to replicate it? You upload the screenshot here, ask Gemini to turn that image into code, and from there, you can create your own app. So guys, try it out. It's available on free accounts, like I showed you here, and it works with any design. It can be for a website, it can be for an app, anyway, any type of interface you find on the internet. Just take a screenshot. It will grab that image, turn it into code, and then show you a preview here, which will be your starting point for coding. So, did you like this new feature? Do you also think things are getting crazier and harder to keep up with? Let me know in the comments, okay? See you in the next video. Bye bye.
I've been